Hello and welcome back to Crafts of Note. I'm Crystal. Today I'm going to show you the Bra Builders Bra Findings Kit and a closer look at those. I just got my order in yesterday. It's right here. Haven't even opened it yet. And I ordered a lot of legacy colors and custom colors in terms of like ones that aren't readily available at this moment. You pay extra for that service, but I think it's totally worth it. And I'll go into why as we look at them. But it's been my go-to place for when I want to match colors to what I'm making for my bras. So all of these were ordered with a specific material I had in mind. And then this way I can make it match. In other places, they supply pink, white, black, and tan usually of some sort, or a flesh tone. And that's about it. And so it's nice that Bra Builders allows you to choose a bunch of colors, and they have all these seasonal colors that you can use as well. And let's take a closer look at the different ones I got. So as always, it comes wrapped with pretty tissue paper and tape in sections. So I have two sets here, just probably to keep it organized. So let's open the thinner one first. So you open it up and you get another sticker. I love these stickers, they're so fun. This one is cute. I don't know where I'm gonna put it yet, but now this is one of my fourth ones. So I'm a Bra Builder sticker, and you get your little notice, let them know if there's any problems, etc. about the dyes and whatever. Okay, so the first one I got is in this package, the Frost color, which is their pure white. It's also their cheapest. If you were gonna try to dye your own and you wanted to use a kit to do it, then the Frost would be the way to go. And then I got a Whisper Pink dyed Power Net. Let's take these out. I got Whisper Pink Power Net I needed it for one specific bra for the back band in case I wanted it to show. And I got their Firm for the first time. It's supposed to be a little stiffer, I think. Maybe not, I don't know. It's nice and stretchy, it has good recovery. Anyway, that's the Whisper Pink color. That's the only thing I bought besides this. It wasn't in the kit per se. This is their white Pico elastic in the 1/2 inch, and I just got this to have some extra on hand because I do have some other bra supplies and I just am missing certain things, and so I got that. And then this is the Frost, and I'm going to have all the colors out too so we can see this. So Frost, and I'll look at up close of the kit as well. So let's open the second one. This has all the custom colors in it. Ooh, how pretty is that? It's like a rainbow. Like it. Okay, so let's pull these out. And let's talk about them. Okay, the first two are exactly the same as each other, but one doesn't include the rings and sliders and the band stuff because I have band colors that are kind of like this. And this is exactly what I was looking for. This is the Tawny color, and I was hoping it would be a kind of shimmery copper, and it is. And this is gonna go with the black and kind of shimmery copper polka dot lace that I just got. It's in my AliExpress video. So I got two of those because I have a couple of things that would work for. So this is the Tawny. And then I have 3 sets of greens here. So this is the Woods color. Woods color, as they say in the description, it'll show up more brown in some things and more green in other things. So you can see that the strap elastic is very green, and the other things take on a more brown look, which is kind of nice for the Woods. And again, I have something this could work for that I was waiting to see, that I have this embroidered lace embroidered tulle that I thought this would work for, or actually this one. This one that I'm holding is Azalea. Azalea is one of their current colors for their spring lineup, and it's a very magenta fuchsia pink on the redder side. And this is also going to work exactly for what I want it for. And then we have Emerald. I think this one is the Emerald because it's the more green color, and Evergreen, which is a greeny blue. This is also kind of my favorite color. And it seems that this one came with metal rings and sliders because they don't take the dye well. This one didn't because the nylon must take it pretty well. And so I have different sizes of straps here because I like to just have different ones sometimes. So let's talk about the colors in their orders. Azalea, Emerald, Woods, Evergreen, Tawny, and Frost are the ones that I ordered. Okay, now let's take a look at what's in a kit. Now, I would say I would want to see maybe the Evergreen kit because of the color. So let's take a look at the Evergreen kit so we can see all what's inside. So you get the rings and sliders, always come included. These are the 12 millimeter. And you get the bra strapping elastic. This is definitely enough for any bra because you pay extra depending on the amount you want. Self strap, half-inch strap, or the smaller sizes. Like every strap size is a different price. So you get your strapping elastic. You get your underwire channeling here. Again, enough for any one bra. Twill tape. Not every bra needs or uses this, but it's nice to have. I actually recently just recycled the one from this kit to use on a shirt I made. I needed to stabilize the shoulders. And the smaller Pico elastic. And then you always get two sizes. This is the bottom band elastic. Very nice and soft. And then you get a hook and eye of your choice. You can choose 2 or 3 or more. You can make a note, and I chose 3 because I like the 3s sometimes. So that's one where you have the smaller elastic sets. Let's take a look at a bigger one. So let's look at Azalea because that's one of their current colors. So when colors are current, you pay less to get them. However, if you're going to dye your own, it's actually kind of expensive to get the right dyes and one color no less, and to accumulate all the materials. And for the price that you pay extra for the colors, it's actually not that bad. A couple dollars each. I'm okay with that. Okay, so for this one, I got the wider strap elastic, so you get the matching rings and sliders there. The underwire channeling will always stay the same size. Twill tape. And then these are the bra band elastics in the 2 sizes that they come with. Every kit only comes with 1 set of sizes for those. You cannot choose anything. Small and the large. The bra strap elastic is the only thing I got the different sizes in. I hope you enjoyed getting a closer look at the Bra Builders Findings kits. Again, you can choose your strap size elastics. Everything else is standardized. You only get the 3/8 and the 5/8 inch elastic, Pico elastics, and then you can choose to have 2 or 3 or 4x4 hook and eyes, or custom if you leave them in note. And you can choose your colors, and the prices vary depending on if it's white or if they have to dye it, or if it's a legacy color, because they don't have to do those as much, so it takes a little more effort. And I will say, they sent me an email saying that they get really busy at the beginnings of the months, especially on a Monday after the weekend, and then it might take over a week or something to get my order out. Especially, I would admit, I bought a lot of legacy colors. However, they said that, and I'm like, oh, it's fine, no big deal. I emailed her back, Sue at Bra Builders, and then it shipped by Wednesday. So I ordered on the weekend, got the email Monday or Tuesday, and then it shipped by Wednesday, and it was here as of yesterday. So the shipping took like, I don't know, 5 business days, maybe not even. And so that was pretty quick turnaround, and they do everything hand dyed. That is amazing, right? So it's really cool. I love the colors. They're very bright and neat. And someday, maybe, I'll get into dyeing my own. Haven't gotten that far yet. You'd have to make an awful lot of bras to make that worth it, to buy all the dyes, because the dyes are what's kind of expensive as well. Like you would have no cost element going on, and for me, paying a couple dollars extra to get what I want is okay for the moment. So remember, if you like this video, to comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and I will see you next time. Thank you.